Hi students, we are now stepping forward towards the online classroom. I am Ketan Patil, HOD and a lecturer for the subject Mechanical Maintenance for 11th and 12th standard. Students, our syllabus is quite easy as you have experience in 11th standard. In 12th standard, you will also feel the same comfort with us. Last year we had studied hand tools and some devices, which was a bit introductory part. This year you will have a quite interesting things. This is a learning of several machines. Our chapter first is of lathe machine, which is the mother of all machine. Chapter 2 is about drilling machine, which is a very essential part for every small and a big mechanical workshop. Let me introduce the lathe machine. You will ask how a machine can be said as a mother of all machine. It means this machine is the very oldest and a beginning form of machine in industry. After lathe machine invention, all other machine came into existence. By the way, when the subject has invoked, it would just let you know there are two categories of machine. One simply said machine and another is machine tool. Machine are those devices by which we can save time, labor and perform the job. For example, sewing machine. Machine tool are those which can manufacture their own parts or for other machine. In that regard, lathe machine and drilling machine are a machine tool. Thank you.